I just wanted to give a quick overview of our new Low German song database that's available on our website. Open your web browser and type in defriesens.org. From there, you will see this tab called Plottische Lieder, so we'll click on that. And that takes us here. From here, you can scroll through all the songs on the page, and you can organize them by title, by the genre or the category, and even by the description, which is the English or High German name if the song has one. All of these songs are available to download, so you can just find the song you're looking for and click the download link. If you know the Low German, English, or High German name of a song you're looking for, you can type it into the search bar here. And there it is. We will keep updating this page as we get and edit more songs. Enjoy!